Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to post a collage on Pinterest with the updated steps. Whether you're sharing ideas, inspiration, or creative projects, collages are a great way to bring multiple images together in one post. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open the Pinterest app. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap the plus button. This is where you'll find different options to create new content. From the menu that appears, go ahead and select Collage. Now it's time to choose the images you want to include. Browse your gallery and pick out multiple photos that fit your idea or theme. Pinterest allows you to select more than one, so take advantage of this and gather the images that best tell your story. The great thing about collages is that they let you share a richer visual experience by combining several images in one post. After you've selected your images, you'll be able to arrange them. Think about how you want the final collage to look. You can move the pictures around, adjust their size, and create a layout that fits your style. Once your collage looks the way you want it, the next step is to add some details. Enter a title that captures the main idea of your collage and a description that explains what it's all about. This is where you can give context and make your collage easier for others to discover. Adding the right keywords in your title and description will also help your post show up in searches. When everything looks good, tap Next. Take a quick moment to review your collage, then go ahead and tap Publish. And that's it. Your collage is now live on Pinterest, ready for your followers and other users to see. Creating a collage is simple, but it's also one of the most creative ways to share multiple ideas at once. Give it a try the next time you want to make your Pinterest boards more engaging.